Case of the Plucked Chicken. Magical Pumpkin, Book 2. Written by Rodney Evans. Narrated by Graham Mack. Case of the Plucked Chicken. Magical Pumpkin, Book 2. Written by Rodney Evans. Narrated by Graham Mack. Life is about chicken. Everyone has at least one chicken. Yours could be a baby chick, a scary chicken, a cute chicken, or even a plucked chicken. How many chickens do you have? Our story happens because of a boy's giant magical pumpkin and begins with the sheriff snoring on the job. Little did he know, a chicken would test his courage. A few weeks ago, the town of Darlinia suffered through a terrible winter, with bone-chilling winds and so much snow everyone had to stay inside. However, Jeremiah Johnson, or JJ as everyone called him, had a pumpkin that changed everything. The 10-year-old's pumpkin grew into a gigantic, magical, flatulent pumpkin. And the most peculiar things began to happen. One time, JJ was busy wishing for warm, sunny days when his pumpkin pooted. Its magic created a swirly rainbow sun, which melted all the snow, warmed the air, and made the flowers bloom. Because of JJ's wish, and his pooty pumpkin granting his wish, the swirly rainbow made the days so pleasant, boys and girls could play outside all day. Adults became less boring. The banker and Judge Hazelnut were always grouchy, but these days they had lunch on the park bench and started being nice. After the swirly rainbow, JJ and the whole town wondered what JJ was going to wish for next. Chapter 1. It begins. The sheriff was in the middle of his afternoon nap when he was startled awake by the sound of a thunderous pop bursting through his...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?